Welcome. Today, we're diving into how practical training can boost both efficiency and quality in the workplace. This workshop focuses on lean manufacturing principles and essential quality skills, tools that help us work smarter, reduce waste, and deliver better results. Let's explore how these ideas come to life in real-world settings. Let's start by diving into lean manufacturing. It's a way of working that focuses on cutting out waste, anything that doesn't add value. The goal is to create more with less time, less effort, and fewer resources. Lean isn't just about efficiency, though. It's about building a culture where everyone's involved in improving how things get done. Today, we'll explore how lean principles help teams deliver better results, faster and smarter. Lean manufacturing isn't just a buzzword. It's a movement embraced by over 70% of manufacturers worldwide. It's all about cutting waste, boosting efficiency, and raising product quality. For students, learning lean connects classroom theory with real-world skills that employers want. Companies look for people who know how to improve processes and maintain quality. That's why lean manufacturing matters. It prepares us for careers where making things better is the goal. This workshop is designed to blend different learning styles for maximum impact. We'll start with lectures to build a solid foundation. Then, we'll dive into practical exercises, hands-on activities that bring lean manufacturing to life. Discussions will help us reflect and deepen understanding. Real-world simulations put us in actual manufacturing scenarios so we can spot inefficiencies and practice creating lean solutions. By the end, participants earn a certificate of completion that aligns with professional development standards, boosting their credentials. This overview sets the stage for what's ahead. Let's dive into the core topic of our discussion, TIMWOOD. This isn't just a word, it's an acronym that helps us identify 7 types of waste that slow down any process. Each letter points to a specific kind of inefficiency we want to eliminate. Understanding TIMWOOD is key to streamlining our work and boosting productivity. So, let's break it down and see how it applies to what we do every day. Let's break down the 7 types of waste that lean thinking helps us spot and eliminate. First, transport waste, moving materials more than necessary, which drives up costs and slows things down. Then inventory waste, holding onto too much product that just sits there, tying up space and money. Motion waste is unnecessary movement by people, and waiting waste is all the idle time caused by delays. Overproduction means making more than we need, while overprocessing is doing extra work that doesn't add value. Finally, defects, mistakes that force us to fix or scrap items, wasting time and resources. Understanding these wastes is key to working smarter. This case study takes us to a Honda production line, where excessive motion and waiting were causing major inefficiencies. By applying lean principles, the process was restructured to streamline flow and cut waste significantly. Students get hands-on here, analyzing scenarios, spotting waste, and suggesting fixes. This isn't just theory, it's about building critical thinking and problem-solving skills that prepare them for real-world lean challenges. It's a practical example that brings lean to life. Let's take a moment to look at an example. Examples help us see how ideas work in the real world. They make concepts concrete. By walking through a specific case, we can understand the steps, the challenges, and the outcomes more clearly. This example will set the stage for what comes next, giving us a practical reference point as we dive deeper into the topic. Interactive learning puts us right in the middle of the action. Instead of just listening or watching, we're engaging directly with the material. This approach helps us understand concepts more deeply, remember them longer, and apply them better. It's about making learning active, not passive. When we interact, we're not just absorbing information, we're building skills, testing ideas, and making connections that stick. That's the power of interactive learning. Now, we're diving into hands-on waste identification. Students get to spot TIMWOOD wastes in a simulated manufacturing process, putting lean principles into action. Then, they collaborate in groups, sharing their findings and insights to deepen understanding. From there, we move into data interpretation, where the focus shifts to analyzing results and crafting strategic lean solutions for quality engineering. Finally, physical testing and analysis help solidify these concepts in a real-world context. Let's take a moment for a bonus topic, the 8M principles. These aren't just extra ideas, they're a powerful framework that helps us break down complex challenges. Each M represents a key factor to consider, from manpower to materials, methods to machines. Understanding these principles gives us a clearer picture and sharper tools to solve problems effectively. We'll explore how applying the 8Ms can make a real difference in our approach. Now, let's dive into the heart of our discussion, the 8M principles. These principles act as a framework, guiding us through complex challenges with clarity and focus. Each one offers a unique lens to understand and improve the systems we work with. Together, they create a comprehensive approach that's both practical and powerful. We'll explore each principle in turn, uncovering how they connect and support one another. This introduction sets the stage for what's to come. Now that we've explored the key ideas, let's focus on what comes next. We'll review the outcomes, what we've achieved so far, and lay out the next steps to keep the momentum going. This is where plans turn into action. Together, we'll make sure progress continues, building on what we've learned and moving confidently toward our goals. In this part of the workshop, we focus on understanding lean principles, especially the TIMWOOD framework, a powerful tool to spot waste in any process. We don't just learn theory. We get hands-on, working through exercises and real case studies to sharpen problem-solving skills. By the end, participants earn CPD-Aligned certificates, proving their expertise. This isn't just about knowledge. It's about preparing for the real world, making everyone more ready for engineering roles and boosting career prospects. Thanks for joining us today. We're excited to keep the momentum going with the next workshop, where we'll dive deeper into the 8M principles. You'll get hands-on with root cause analysis and holistic process improvement. Don't forget to register using the QR code or contact info on screen. Let's grow this community of innovators together.